Hello guys, welcome to another important video from Masculine Volt. Visit our blog at www.masculinevolt.com to read more interesting and educative contents about masculinity, dating, health, success, finances, and a lot more. On this video, I want to tell you 20 best conversation starters you can use to begin a conversation with any girl. Before we begin, if you are a woman, this is not for you. Please scroll away. But if you are a man, ensure you watch this video to the end and take every single point seriously. It is natural that a lot of men find it difficult to break the ice when they see a new girl they like and will love to talk to. They lack words or what to say in order to start a conversation. This is why it is important for me to tell you things you can say to begin a conversation with a girl that will sound natural. These questions and conversation starters are extremely natural. Most girls will find it interesting and will easily spark a response from any girl where you can build a full conversation on. Let us begin. 1. What kind of things make you laugh the most? This is a good question because women loves to laugh, and laughter breaks tension fast. Asking this shows you care about her vibe, not just her looks. It opens space for humor and connection, and helps both of you relax naturally. 2. What do you like to do when you are not working? This question shows interest in her lifestyle and personality. It helps you understand what makes her happy beyond her job or studies. It keeps the talk light and personal. 3. What is your favorite way to spend a weekend? This is a calm question that builds connection. The response she gives will tell you how she balances her time and what she enjoys. You can find common interests and plan future dates from her answer. 4. What kind of music puts you in a good mood? Everyone loves music, and music always builds easy chemistry. It gives you something fun to discuss and reveals her mood and taste. You can share your favorites too and keep the flow playful. 5. What type of food do you enjoy the most? If you are deciding where you would take her to for a date, this is a good way to have insight on where to take her next time. Everyone loves talking about what they enjoy eating, and it creates an easy, relaxed vibe. 6. Have you traveled anywhere exciting recently? This question opens positive memories. Travel stories show personality, passion, and adventure. It gives her space to share experiences and lets you build curiosity about her life. 7. What kind of movies or shows do you enjoy? Everyone loves fun moment, and movies reveal a lot about personality. Talking about shows and films makes the mood casual. It is a safe, easy way to connect without forcing deep or serious talk too early. 8. What goals are you working on this year? This question shows maturity. It shifts the date from small talk to purpose. Women respect men who are interested in growth and who also share their own goals calmly. 9. What is something that always makes you smile? This question, simple but powerful. It gives her a chance to open up emotionally and lets you learn what brings her joy. It keeps the mood light and genuine without feeling too deep. 10. Who has influenced you the most in your life? This question builds depth. It helps you understand her values and who shaped her mindset. It shows that you care about more than surface talk and gives you insight into her world. 11. What kind of places do you like to hang out at? This helps you learn her social style. If she is quiet, fun, or adventurous, it gives you clues about where to take her next. It also lets her picture spending time with you again. 12. Do you enjoy outdoor activities or chill indoor days? This question will help you understand her lifestyle. It can spark stories about hobbies, nature, or comfort. It shows that you are curious, but not too serious too soon. 13. What is something you always wanted to try but have not yet? This brings excitement into any discussion. It invites dreams and curiosity. It shows that you care about her ambitions and can even lead to playful, flirty challenges or ideas. 14. What kind of things make you lose track of time? This helps you discover her passions and flow. People love talking about what drives them. It builds attraction because it keeps the focus on energy and emotion, not pressure. 15. What do you value most in people? This question can help you see how she views loyalty, honesty, and connection. It sets you apart as a man who looks for meaning, not just attention. 16. What is the most interesting thing you have learned recently? This will open up a fun, thoughtful exchange and help you see what excites her mind. Women respect men who listen and keep the talk engaging. 17. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? This is a dream question that sparks imagination and connection. It helps you learn her taste, her vibe, and what kind of lifestyle she wants. It turns a simple chat into a fun, personal moment. 18. What kind of things help you relax after a long day? This question brings comfort and calm energy into the discussion. It shows you care about her peace of mind. It also gives you a natural way to connect through shared routines or habits. 19. What do you find most attractive in a person? This one adds a flirty touch without being too forward. It invites honesty and helps you learn what she values in a man. It can lead to light teasing and natural chemistry. 20. What is one thing you always wanted to learn but never started? This keeps the conversation inspiring and positive. It lets her talk about her goals and dreams while showing that you enjoy meaningful talk. It builds emotional depth fast. In conclusion, no matter how great your question or conversation is, you will meet women who will not be interested. Do not see it as a big deal. It is part of the game. Just raise your head up and move on. Do not insist or beg for any girl's attention, so you do not appear desperate and low value. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. See you in our next video.